A little while ago, I ordered a MagSafe Battery Pack from Apple, and I got this for free, and I'm going to tell you how. What's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk. I thought I'd do this little video simply because I got a MagSafe Battery Pack a little while ago. I did a review on it on the channel. If you haven't seen that review, you can check it out right here. But what some people don't know is that I actually got this for free, and I'm going to tell you how. I ordered this from Apple because I wanted to cover it and do a review of this product on my channel. And when I ordered this, I wanted to order it and do a I ordered this and another similar product from Anchor. I ordered the Anchor battery version of the MagSafe Battery Pack. And what I did was I wanted to get the two of them and do a comparison and do a review video, which I did. Now, when I ordered these, my order was delayed and then my order was lost. So when my order got lost, I called up Apple and was like, listen, my order hasn't arrived, blah, blah, blah. And long story short, they shipped me out a replacement, no problem at all. So by the time the replacement arrived, I had did the review on this and I had did the review on the Anchor. And my honest opinion was that the Anchor was the better product. There was slightly more functionality with it. It had more battery capacity and it was cheap. So I called up Apple and said, listen, I want to return this product. And because it was an online order, they were like, no problems with that. So the guy I spoke to on Apple support was very, very helpful and basically said, yeah, no problem, we'll arrange that return for you. Bear with me. So I was placed on hold. And as I was placed on hold, I was waiting, and the guy came back and says, listen, no problem, we're going to arrange a refund for you. We're going to refund that back to your card and you can keep the product. What? You can keep the product? I said, what do you mean I can keep the product? You know, you're giving me back my money, so I'm giving you back the product. No, you can keep the product and you can have your money back. Right. And then it hit me why. Because this is a battery, they will not return this via a courier. They will not put this on a plane. Now, as I'm sure you're aware, when these items are received, you have to plug them in to get them to initiate and to let power flow through them. Once power has flowed through and activated the battery cells, they won't accept these back. So basically I ordered this and tried the product, didn't like the product for the price of it, wanted to return it, and then ended up getting my money back and I got to keep it. So what are you gonna do? So yeah, it makes me wonder, how many of these did Apple sell? And how many of these did people try to return and then Apple told them, there's your money back, and then you can have it for free as well. Now don't get me wrong, if I had bought this in the Apple store, I'm pretty sure I could have took it back and they would have just took it back off me. But it was an online order, and with Apple, at least in my experience, when I buy something online, I can't take it back to the Apple store. I have to return it via the returns process for ordering something online. So that is why I didn't return it back in my local Apple store. So I don't know, I just thought I would share this video, guys. Has anybody else experienced this? I'd be really, really keen to know, because these are 100 quid. These are 100 quid a pop, and you know, if Apple did that with 100 of these, that's a lot of money. So I'd be keen to know. Let me know in the comments down below. Did you buy one of these and try to return it? Did you get your money back? Did you have to return the product, or were you allowed to keep it? Let me know in the comments down below. I just want to do this quick video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, hit that like button. Massively appreciate it. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I would appreciate it so much. And if you want to be notified of new videos just like this on the channel, hit that little bell button. And until the next one, guys, I'll catch you later.